team, I'm excited to announce that we'll be implementing new tablet devices for all nursing staff. These devices will revolutionize the way we deliver patient care and access patient information.
That sounds great, Mihira. What features will these tablets have?
The tablets will be equipped with advanced software that allows us to access electronic health records, order medications, and document patient assessments. They'll also have built-in communication tools to facilitate collaboration between team members.
Will there be any training on how to use these tablets?
Absolutely. We'll provide comprehensive training sessions to ensure everyone is comfortable using the new technology.
Mihira, are there any concerns about data security and privacy?
The tablets will have robust security measures to protect patient data. We'll also implement policies to ensure proper use of the devices and prevent unauthorized access.
Mihira, now let's talk about your diet, as it plays a crucial role in your recovery after surgery. Eating a balanced diet is essential because it provides your body with the nutrients it needs to heal and regain strength. Focus on including high-protein foods in your meals, such as lean meats, eggs, beans, fish, and dairy products like yogurt or cottage cheese. Protein helps repair tissues and promotes wound healing, which is especially important after surgery. Staying hydrated is equally important. Drinking plenty of water helps your body function properly and supports the healing process. Aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, unless your doctor has advised otherwise. You can also include hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables, which are rich in vitamins and minerals that boost your immune system. It's also a good idea to avoid heavy or greasy meals, as they can be harder to digest and may cause discomfort, especially while your body is still recovering. Instead, opt for smaller, more frequent meals that are easy on your stomach. Foods like whole grains, steamed vegetables, and soups are gentle and nutritious options. Do you have any questions or concerns?